Hey there! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set or change email notifications in Cron To Go. Cron To Go can alert you and your team when jobs fail to help you maintain your app's good behavior. To begin, go to your app's dashboard and click on Cron To Go in the add-ons list. Cron To Go's dashboard presents the list of your jobs. We'll click the Notifications menu item to bring up the Notification Settings dialog. If your plan doesn't have the email notifications feature enabled, you'll be asked to upgrade. The trigger determines in which cases the notifications will be sent. By default, notifications are sent when a job first fails and then again only if it executes successfully. Next, you can choose whether to send notifications to all app members, which is a dynamic list that changes whenever you add or remove members in Heroku, or you can send emails to designated email addresses. We recommend sending an email to a group that will notify only relevant people. If you've made any changes, make sure to click Save Settings and then you're all done. Thanks again for watching our short tutorial. Check out our other tutorials to see what other cool things you can get done with Cron To Go.